What is up, everybody? It's your boy Andy Arts, and I'm back with another video. And today, we are gonna add some texture to Misty's jeans. Yeah, our girl got some jeans, but as you can see, it's got no texture on them, and that's what we're gonna do today. So, um, sorry if I sound a little funny. My voice have been my nasals it haven't been so well. So if I sound a little funny or if I'm like sniffing too much, um, I'm just a little bit under the weather. So sorry about that. Hopefully you can get through this video. So Misty. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to add some texture to her pants, and I'm gonna show you how to do this on Clip Studio Pro. I believe Photoshop has the same type of Photoshop has the same settings where you can add texture to your images, right? You can add different textures. So I'm gonna do it here on Clip Studio Pro. See if you can follow along on Photoshop. Okay, so let's get started. So jeans, texture on the jeans. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the layer over here, the clothing layer, where the jeans are painted. This is where the flat color is. So we're gonna add texture to the flat color, and then on top of that, obviously, it's gonna have like the shadows and everything. All right, so I'm gonna go over here on the right side, and I'm gonna search for my pattern, and give me just a second. It's one of the ones that I downloaded. Okay, here we are. So I found the texture I was looking for, and it's actually this one right here, right? It's being highlighted right here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to select our jeans. So we're going to take our wand tool. All right, so we're going to take our wand tool. We're going to go to the line art layer. Going to go to the line art layer, and we're going to just select in there, and I'm going to hit the shift button to add, to keep selecting throughout. Nice one here, here. I'm just selecting as much as I can. Actually, let me take the lasso tool. Lasso tool usually works wonders. See, with the lasso tool, we can select everything that has not been selected. Right, so select cleaner there. And let me click over here. Oh, shoot, damn it. Click over here, select this. And actually, let me select. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. So we selected the entire jeans. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back and click on the clothing layer where we put the flat colors for the clothes. We're gonna take our texture over here and we're gonna drag it. Boom, there we go. All right, so we're gonna drag it and hold on a second, guys. I don't know why it's showing this like this, so let me just, we had to bring it down to bring the noise up. Actually, let me move it up a layer. Let me put it on top of the shadow layer. Okay, that looks a little better. And so now, so as you can see, it still looks all this kind of like distorted. Yes, you can still see all the black lines. So I'm gonna like just shrink it down a little more until we get the texture just right. Looks perfect. That actually looks perfect. That's a beautiful texture right there. Now, what you want to do now, so we put it on top of our shadow layer, clothing shadow layer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to our blending modes, and we're gonna choose overlay, right? So we're choosing overlay so that it can mix with everything, so that it can mix with like the shadow, we can mix with the lighting and everything. So as you can see, this looks absolutely fantastic. Wow. That is some beautiful realistic texture, right? And you can do this with anything. If you're drawing jeans, you can do this with, you know, with any type of jeans, shirts, whatever. You can act any type of texture, really. Um, yeah, so I know this was a bit of a short tutorial, but I wanted to show you guys. So next time you're drawing a character with jeans, you know what to do. All right, guys. So if you really like this video, you know, make sure to like this video, comment below. If you like Misty, hit the thumbs up button. If you like these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for future notifications. It's your boy Andy Arts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next art video. Peace.